Hello, YouTube friends. Well, guess what? I finally got my December Sew Sampler box. I'm not sure why it took so long. One of the items, on back order or something, but sure did take a while, and some people got them sooner than me. Didn't they watch my videos? Probably not. Anyway, let's look in this box and see what we got this month. Now, for those of you who don't know what this is, it's a quilting monthly subscription box. Usually get the primary fabric for the project, like prints, and then you need to come up with the background fabric and a lot of times the borders that you want to put on, and the batting and the backing, so forth. Every now and then we get a project that is not a quilt. It could be a table runner or a project bag, something like that. Not very often, but once in a while. I pay like $24.95, $98, something like that, plus shipping, which is just right under $5. And then because I live in a state tax, I get to pay tax on the box. So I pay just a little over $32. All right, let's see what's in there. Get it open. If you have any questions, you can ask me down in the comments. All right, we got Winter Flea Market. Now, if you just want to see what's in there and be gone, or stick around and I'll add it up. Winter Flea Market. I think I have a feeling I know. Cute little box. We always get a little card. Tells us everything that's in there. Give us a little more description plus the value. Oh, look at that. And this is the fabric we got. Ooh. And it is Lori Holt. And it's her flea market. Her new fabric line that just came out. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. We have 2 rolls of Orfil thread. This one's kind of salmon pinkish color. Its number is 2220. And then this one is kind of a golden, like goldenrod maybe color. And it's 2134. So those are pretty. And what is this? Navy magnetic needle case. Okay. Let's open that up. Stay sharp. Opens up. All right, let's see how it works. Pretty good. It's kind of like it's not level across. Kind of has like a little bit of an indentation there. I'm guessing probably not these type, your pins with the heads on them. It could fit a little bit in there, okay, a few of them. So probably definitely needles. Anyway, well, I'll have to check that out. Might be kind of handy to, take along on your projects. And then we got Sparkle Star Foundation Paper. And this makes 6-inch blocks. Let's see. So they look like that. And you get 42 sheets. And this is the pattern. And that's a table runner. It's 18.5 by 42.5. So that is cute. So you could use those papers to make this. And then we got the block of the month, which is, they're doing the greatest hits still. And let me see if I can find a good photo of that. Usually there's a nice photo on this card. Yeah, there we go. So that's the block, track 9. So that's what's in the box. So stay tuned and I'll go into it a little more detail here. So Lori Holtz, you get, I think, 21. Let's see. Yep, 21 10-inch squares. And that is $18.98. The Stay Sharp is $8.98. 2 rolls of the Orfil thread, which is $9.96. And then the foundation papers are $7.98. The pattern, see if I can hold all that, $9.98. And the block of the month is $4.98. And so that is, does anybody know? Total is $60.86. So I got, after you subtract my $32, that is $28.86. $29 savings. So that's pretty good. All right, you want to look at the fabric? Are you still with me? I'm not going to insert a picture. We're just going to look at it. All right, if I can get it open. They make these knots pretty tight. And I don't really want to cut it. I'll just see if I can slide it down. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to bring the camera down and then flip through these. See how that looks. Ooh, this first one is really pretty. Full of roses. With the pink background. Ooh, look at that orange. That's pretty bold. I hope the color's coming across okay. Pretty cloudy outside today. Ooh, I like this one. That's pretty. And a turquoise with dark navy blue and some yellows. Ooh, bold red with pink flowers. And there's that kind of a mustardy yellow. Still pretty. I like the flowers on there. Really old-fashioned looking green. Wow, look at that orange. Looks like fried eggs on there. There's the same kind of print, only that mustard yellow color. And Lucky Charms. Greens. I kind of like this one. Nice. Another orange. Blue. Ooh, this one's pretty. Like that one. And that one. I like this one. Pretty. So are you guys going to make this project? Do you get the box? I think we should make it. That one's cute. It's like it's got Easter egg flowers or something. It's kind of cute. Here's another one of that print, only in kind of a turquoise background with blue. Interesting. And then this one. And that's it. So now I get to try and roll those back up. All right, well, that's it. Let me know down in the comments if you get this box and if you're going to do that project and what you think of everything that was in there this month. Well, for December. I'm not going to complain. I know there's been a lot of mail problems and all that, so stuff happens. Hopefully we get the January box on time and we're not constantly behind a month. That would be nice. Be kind of fun to get 2 boxes in 1 month, right? All right, I better go. I got to make stuff. So thanks for stopping in. I'll see you next time. Bye.